You know, every day we're hearing about rising interest rates. But if that's keeping you from shopping for a new truck, SUV, or crossover, don't let it. These are the facts. Just because the Fed has raised the rate a half point doesn't mean Sunset Auto family lenders have raised theirs, because most have not. Now, that doesn't mean there won't be a rate increase. But so far, so good. And what if they do? The average interest rate in the 2020s is lower than in any other decade over the past 70 years. Interest rates will continue to be at historic lows. Here's another fun fact. Interest rates will not get any lower anytime soon. You know it's true. So now is the best time to order your new vehicle. And no one can get you exactly what you want quicker or for less than the Sunset Auto family. Plus, with every single qualifying new and used vehicle, you get warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. And that'll save you thousands down the road. Facts are fun. Here's another one. You just get more at Sunset. And people do like that.